Hello everyone. I recently watched a WhatsApp message. I think it's an American show wherein a Chinese looking kid, probably 8 9 years old, gleefully smiling, laughing, and happily doing maths, and he did this magic square. He asked the gentleman who is conducting the show to choose a number between 65 and 300 ending with a 0 or 5, and he challenged him that he is going to put the numbers in this magic square so that the total of each row and each column and the diagonals is going to be that number. Okay, and he did that in a matter of seconds, and he did it like this. So I captured the screenshot and I was trying to analyze what he was trying to do and how he did it so easily. So then I realized, okay, with my maths background, okay, this is called magic square anyway, but I know the logic behind it is the 5 boxes, 5 rows, 5 columns. So the total of 5 numbers should be 265. So average is 265 divided by 5, 53. So as long as we maintain that 53 in each box plus or minus a little bit, then the total is going to be 5n, which is 265. So basically that n is the middle number. So 265 divided by 553 goes in the middle, which is called n. So that's 53. There's quite a bit of logic, and if you see just the middle row, n minus 6, n plus 6, n minus 12, n plus 12. So likewise they are keeping the balance. The same thing is happening everywhere, even in the diagonals. n minus 8, n plus 8, n plus 4, n minus 4. The total is going to come, all the plus and minus are going to balance each other, and we're going to be left with the 5 n's. Still, it's not a kid's version, so I tried to kind of develop a kid's version. So I can see the diagonal is the main clue. So if that is the average of the 265 spread along 5 boxes, so it's going to be minus 1 minus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 minus 3. Then minus 4 came here, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. And minus 10 came here, 11 came here, and minus 12. So, still, okay, looks easier, but not quite. So what I tried to do here is, if 53 is the average, and if we are going to fill 25 boxes, the middle number median is 53. So I'm going to have 12 numbers less than 53 and 12 numbers more than 53. So my limits are going to be 41 and 65, which you can see in this example, 41 on the top, 65 at the bottom. And you can see that's minus 12 minus 6, 0, plus 6 plus 12. So there is a pattern emerging. So there is a pattern that way, and there's a pattern that way. 51, 52, 53, 55, 56. Yeah, and then 57 in the corner. 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. Then 63, 64, and 65. There are some patterns here. So I kind of took a picture, color coded the patterns, and tried to memorize the shapes. Maybe you can see that as well. Now I'm going to use that pattern to fill the numbers in this magic square. Now the total I'm going to have here is 70. So 70 spread between 5. Each box should be approximately 14. So the top and the bottom numbers I am going to use is 14 minus 12, which is going to be 2. That's the minimum. 14 plus 12 is going to be 26. So top is 26. Lowest number is 2. So I'm going to use the middle number is 14. That's 2. That's 26. So I'm going up by 6's here. So that's going to be 8. That's going to be 20. So my middle row is sorted. And the diagonal, first diagonal, is going to be 1 less. So 13, 12. So that's less. Then it's going to be 15 and 16. So what I did here is minus 1 minus 2. And I know it is minus 3. So that's going to be 11. I know that's going to be plus 3. So that's going to be 17. So minus 3 is there, but minus 4 is here. So 14 minus 4 is a 10. And from here, it's slightly, I know it is minus 6, so that's going to be minus 5. So 14 minus 5 is 9. 9, 8, 7, 6, and 5. So what I did here is minus 5, minus 6, minus 5, so minus 7, then minus 8, then minus 9. I'm sorted, kind of, till there. So what's happening here on the plus side? Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. Okay. Plus 4 is going to be here. Plus 5 is going to be here. 14 plus 5 is 19. Plus 6 plus 7 is 21. Then plus 8 is 22. Plus 9 is 23. Now, this is the only thing that we have to remember now. From 23, plus 10 is going to be here, so which is 24. Plus 11 is going to be here, which is 25. Plus 12 is here, 26. What's going to happen with the minus here? Minus ones. All right, okay, so we got till here, which is a minus 9. So minus 10 is going to be here. So 14 minus 10 is a 4. Minus 11 is going to be here. So 14 minus 11 is a 3. So have we got any more boxes left? Minus 12 is here anyway. I think we completed the whole square. Let's go through it once again, how we did it. We worked out the average of the total between 5 rows, which is 14. That goes in the middle. We worked out the upper limit and lower limit of the numbers that we are going to use. So because it is 25 boxes, the middle box is 1 box. So we need to have 12 more and 12 less. So 12 less is 14, take away 12 is a 2. 14 plus 12 is a 26. So those are the two numbers which I am going to use, top and the bottom. Okay, so in fact actually the top number is going to be at the bottom, the least number is going to be at the top. Okay, now we are kind of trying to work out the symmetry. So minus 12 plus 12, minus 6 plus 6. So that's easy peasy. Then the next easy peasy one is working out the first diagonal here, left to right. Okay, so 14 is the middle number, 13, 12, 15, 16. So we got 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 in a row. Then going down that way, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. So we are sorted. all these numbers. All these numbers are sorted. The only special number is, so when I got -3 here, -4 is going to be down here. That's something we have to remember. If that is a +3, that's going to be +4. So the corners are sorted. Then 5, 6, 7. We already got -6 here. So -5, -6, -7, -8, -9. So all these numbers are sorted on the minus side. So on the plus side, +4 is there. +6 is here, so that should be +5. So 14 plus 5 is 19. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are all on the plus side. Okay, we are sorted with those as well. So now all the lower numbers are on that side, but -10 and -11 are going to be here. -10, -11. All the plus numbers are on this side, bottom right corner, but the +10 and +11 are going to be here. So which I did. With that, the square gets completed. Thank you very much for watching. You can try it with many other numbers. You can try the same logic with the 7 by 7 square. Investigate and find the patterns. Thank you for watching.